Hey guys, it is C with Atlantic Knife, and we're going to be doing the review today of the Jesper Belone. It is designed by Jesper Voxnaes. He's one of my favorite designers. I think I'd buy a toothpick if it was designed by him. So we'll open up the box. Jesper comes from the Menaggio part of Italy. Everybody's familiar with those. We'll show you the blade. And then we'll go over some specs. Look at that. All right. We'll start off with that. The blade is Bowler M390. It is 3 1/3 inches long. The overall knife is 7 7/8, so almost 8 inches. It has a carbon fiber handle or scales front and back. Has titanium liners and liner lock there. The liners are machined, CNC machined. They have a stone wash finish along with the liner lock portion and the pocket clip. The pocket clip is deep carry. Try to show you that there. It uses thrust bearings to as the pivot. And we'll go ahead and show you how it cuts. There are some other features about this knife that I would like to go over with you. But let's do this part first. We'll show it cutting forward. Then we'll show it cutting backward. Has a nice jimping up here we'll show you the use of. When we get to the next part. Here we are cutting some you can just push right through this. I mean, you just watch and straight on through. So you're not going to have any problem cutting with this. Bring out some cardboard here. We'll show you here the jimping on the top will come in very handy here. I believe instead of cutting we could probably just carve with this sucker. Wow, it just went through too quickly there. But as you can see, it cuts very easily. On the top of this blade, I wanted to show you if you can see it here. It's kind of rounded. This is a nice feature. And this part down here, the backspacer, is also rounded with jimping to give it a little design. I really like this part. As you can tell, this knife is easy. I have a bad habit of cleaning off the blade to open and to close. It snaps right open. It uses a stainless steel pivot screw and fasteners. The clip, I don't know if I mentioned this, I might have, but it is also titanium anodized. And the blade has a satin finish. It's hardened to 61 on the Rockwell scale. And it has a double temper or cryogenic treatment to it. So yeah, this blade is it's probably never going to fail you. For you guys watching on Instagram, I wanted to say, ask you guys to like the post and follow Atlantic Knife, where we do reviews like this pretty much daily. If you're watching on YouTube, we do a weekly show on Friday that goes over the new knives of the week will cover everything from $25 knives to $500 knives. We do 7 to 10 a week. Do tons of 1-minute videos, and of course 10 to 12 of these 5-minute videos every week. Of course, by now we have thousands of them up there for you guys to view. So on that note, we'll go ahead and end this. This is the Jesper Belone. It is designed by Jesper Voxnaes. And I am C with Atlantic Knife, signing off.